right here, please. And headshot.
Straight ahead again, please. One more time.
Alright guys, everybody, the center camera right here first.
Straight ahead.
Yay.
Hold on.
Bye, Martin. Thank you.
I'm gonna lose the network.
There he is.
How are you?
How are you? Can't wait for class and class pinup.
I know, it's gonna be alright, man.
It's gonna be awesome.
We'll see what happens.
Straight ahead again. Pick it.
Denise, how you feeling? John just...
Welcome back. There she is.
There she is. I've been seeing your billboards all over the place.
I know, they're all over.
And then Claire, straight ahead, please. There it goes. Hold on. There we go.
Hey, Denise, how are you? Good. How are you? Good. I love your dress. Thank you.
She's amazing.
It's actually 60 cents, so I don't know.
Pretty.
Yeah. Oh, you want to show me? And Claire, can we get it over the shoulder this direction? There we go. There you go. Right. Right here? Eyes right here, please. There you go. Hold on.
Okay. Gotta get Frank.
Frankie in the middle.
We'll start with the guy in the red.
What a lucky guy.
Figures today? Don't mess up, Denise.
All right. Are you wearing the prom?
Thank you.
Are you wearing the prom?
All right.
Welcome back.
Yay. There we go. Are you wearing the Pradas?
I'm wearing, I'm wearing my
Yeah, your Pradas.
blue pants, my Fonzie jacket.
Chris, baby, you're back.
Hello, how are you guys?
Alright, so we do some singles and then we'll do some. Okay, perfect. Alright.
There we go.
There's the man.
Hello, friends. I want nothing but this.
Back on your right.
Hey guys, ice cream?
Hey Frank, how you been?
There you go. We
Good
get you
seeing
right
you.
in front. Okay. There we go. Straight ahead.
I feel like the other Frank Marino.
And straight ahead.
One more.
And then one more right here. Hold on. Gotcha.
Thank you. Well, congratulations.
Right here, sir.
Miss Robinson.
next to her, please.
And then next to him, please.
One more right.
Mr. Robinson, right here one more time, please. Thank you.
This camera right here, guys.
Look over here, everybody.
The show is awesome. It's I'm very proud of it. And I really think it's great here in this room. The stage has been designed just for him. And the room is perfect for him. And there's such a dynamic act. I'm sure that everything's going to be great.
You know, you started in what, in Australia singing your songs a long time ago. What was your first thing when you heard them?
You know what? I really didn't spot them in Australia. I knew of them because they had started to record the Motown music. And so we had all heard about them. And all the records that they were doing over there were going platinum with the Motown music and all that. So I'm working in the studio about maybe 5-6 years ago in Los Angeles. They came in one night and surprised me. I didn't even know they were coming. They came in and surprised me. And we introduced ourselves and all that. And they sang for me a cappella from their band. And they are just awesome. So they had come to invite a bunch of the seasoned Motown artists and really artists to record on the CD. I was right.
Right here in the middle, everybody.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, right here now, please.
Callus. Wait, I almost knocked this over. Wait.
And one more right here.
And then here. Hold on. There she is in red.
Holly, you look unbelievable. You're so gorgeous.
I like that haircut. Yeah, there you go. There we go.
She is beautiful.